Peat is the main ingredient in growing media. It is made from organic matter extracted from wetland ecosystems known as peatlands. Peatland vegetation is made up of a variety of species, some familiar, such as cranberries and blueberries, and some less known, such as carnivorous plants. But it is the mosses and sphagnum that dominate and make this ecosystem so special. Sphagnum has an incredible water retention capacity, up to 20 times their weight. They therefore play an essential ecological role and give peat the characteristics that make it an incomparable product for horticulture. In peatlands, unlike other ecosystems, the accumulation of organic matter exceeds decomposition due to the acidic and water-saturated conditions of the environment. The remains of sphagnum and plants accumulate to form peat. It accumulates slowly, but for long periods, forming deposits several meters thick. In Canada, peat extraction activities are subject to strict regulations to ensure that the resource and ecosystems are managed in a sustainable and responsible manner. More than 80% of the Canadian peat production is certified under the Veriflora program, an independent program that guarantees the application of good management practices in line with sustainable development. Peat is used in horticulture because of its unparalleled characteristics, such as its incomparable water retention capacity, its low nutrient content, high porosity, high content of organic matter and beneficial microorganisms, slow decomposition, and it is free of contaminants. Canadian peat is used for ornamental horticulture, food production, cannabis cultivation, tree and shrub production, and forestry seedlings, as well as home gardening. In Canada, it is not used for energy production. In addition to being the best growing medium in horticulture, choosing horticultural peat is choosing a responsibly extracted resource.